Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an IPEGA PG-9156 controller and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this controller not connecting to your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it seems to be not responding or sluggish or lagging, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you're trying to set it up someplace new, it can just be helpful to just to get a fresh start by just hitting the reset button. So what we want to do is we're going to need a pin or a paper clip or something like that. Something just make it sure it's not too sharp that it could damage it, but we do need to get into the little recessed reset hole on the back of the controller by the trigger button, and we're just going to put our paper clip in there and hold it for about 5 seconds and then release the button, and that will reset this controller to its default settings. And then you can go ahead and hook it up again. You'll have to redo all the configurations and pairings and everything like that, but you can set it up as a new device.